Hey there, welcome back. I'm Mark and I'm glad you're here today to join me on this adventure of drawing. I'm going to be drawing an iPhone today, and a cute one at that. So grab yourself a sheet of paper, a pencil, pen, and let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the iPhone in a vertical, like from top to bottom. So I'll draw a line up over here near the top of my page, something about this wide, and then what I'll do is I'm going to leave a space from that corner, and I'm going to draw a line down like that, and then I'll do the same over here. I'll leave a little bit of a gap, and then I'm going to draw a line like this, and we're going to try to be about the same length as over there. And then we'll draw another line on the right side of our phone, just like this, and go straight down like that. Okay, now the reason I did that is because we want to round these corners. So we'll curve that, we'll curve this, and then we'll do all four corners. We'll kind of round all the corners. Okay, then what we can do is we'll draw a line inside of this, all of these lines. So we'll just draw a second line. Okay, and then we'll try to draw the same thickness all the way around. Like that, and then what you can do is you can connect that there. We'll go over here, we'll draw thickness there, this will come up and round, and then we'll draw the same thickness down here, and then we'll round these two corners like that. Right over here we're going to draw a line from this top. We'll draw a line across somewhere like that. And then what we can do is we can curve this and go right up. And we can do the same on the left. We'll curve and go right up. Then on this side we'll draw a little circle, and then to the left of that we can draw two lines the same height as this circle, and then we'll round the corners together, those ends of those two lines. Then what we can do is we can go down here, and with our ruler you can come up to about here, and we'll draw a parallel line to this line here, and we'll just go right across like that. Okay? Now let's have some fun and draw a cute smiley face in the middle over here where the display is. So on the left side I'm going to go and draw a round circle like that, and then I'm going to draw another one on this side about the same size. Try to get about the same size. Inside of this we'll draw a smaller circle, and then one below it to the right. We'll do the same on the right one, and these will be in the same direction, the same angles. You have the big one on the left, the small one to the right, big one on the left, small one to the right. Now around this I'm going to draw another circular shape like that, and we'll do another one here, and then we can put some eyelashes like that. We'll do 3 over to this side. Then I'll draw a little eyebrow shape up here, and we'll do one on this side. Then we'll draw a little smiley face mouth. So I'm going to go from this side here, I'm going to come down and angle a little bit. Then I'm going to come down and I'm going to pop back up. We'll put these two little hooks on the corners there, and we'll draw some teeth like that, and we'll do a tongue with two lines like this, and we'll do a little bottom lip like a little chin shape, and we'll do two little dots for the little cheeks, little rosy cheeks there. I need your help to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Click that subscribe button. That way you get to see all of my videos. I do them every single day, and you don't want to miss out on any single one of them. Now I'm going to draw some arms coming off of my cell phone here. So I'm going to come right around where the mouth is, down here. I'm just going to curve this line up like this. And I'm going to draw three little fingers. So 1, 2, 3. If you want to do 4 or 5, it's up to you. And then we'll curve this down and follow that line right into the cell phone. And then on this side, we'll start right about the same area here. And on this one, we're going to just go and kind of point down a little bit. And then we'll do 1 finger, 2 fingers, and 3 fingers. So match however many you did on the left, do on the right. And then you can just follow your curve back up. I'm gonna add some icons down here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a pencil, because I might make some mistakes here. Go and draw a line just below this line right there. And then right about here, we'll draw another line. Okay. Then I'm going to find the center, roughly where the center is, right about here. Okay, and then I'm going to split this side into half as well, like that. Then I'm going to do one more line here. So you should have 3 lines, and then these will be 4 boxes that will be split apart. I'm going to leave a little bit of a space in between. So we're going to come down like this on both sides of that line. So you're going to leave a little bit of a gap, and then what we're going to do is we're going to round the corners, and we'll do the same at the bottom. So all these shapes will be rounded. And now for these two that are at the end, we want to make sure we're away from the edge of our phone, so we'll just draw a line here. We'll come and draw a line here, and then we'll just round these as well, like that. So you should have 4 similar sized boxes down below. Use our ink pen and just outline these. Be careful, you can use your ruler if you want. I'm just going to freehand this, but if you want to use your ruler, you can do that. Okay, so then grab your eraser and start erasing those pencil lines, these nice rectangular shapes. Now I wouldn't have been able to draw those. I mean, I might have been able to draw those, but those would have been really hard to get this nice and clean. So it's always best to use a pencil if you want to make sure you're going to draw it right. So I'm going to go back to my pencil again once more. Now I'm going to draw some icons. Now you can draw whatever ones you want in here, but I'm going to draw the YouTube icon, and that's just a little rectangular shape with rounded corners. So we're going to kind of round these corners once more, and then it's going to have like a little triangle pointing to the right. There we go. So that's our YouTube logo. Then we're going to have an Instagram app right over here. So what I'm going to do with the Instagram app is I'm just going to follow the edges of the outer box here that I already had drawn in. So we're going to have a couple lines like this. We're going to have a smaller one inside of that one. Then there's going to be a circle here in the corner, and you're going to have a circle in the middle. So you're going to have a small one like this, and then another one inside there. Okay, now let's do a Snapchat logo. So this is kind of like a ghost shape. So we will come around it like this. Then we'll have this little hand that comes out. Then we'll flare the bottom, and this will have like something like this, and then we'll just repeat the same on the other side. A finger that comes out, and then we'll come down like that. Okay, now let's put a TikTok logo over here. So I'm going to draw this curved shape like this. So it's almost like a D, like the letter D. But then we're going to flare this out to the right, curve this, and then we're going to have a little shape like that, and then this will round. And again, see how I'm making like some subtle adjustments, and like that. So there's our TikTok logo. Now just use your ink pen again once more, and we'll outline and follow all the lines that you like. Grab your eraser one last time and erase the pencil lines. So now all we need to do is grab some markers and marker this in. Go down in the comments below and submit your requests. I'll try to get to your drawings as quickly as I can. Well, there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed drawing an iPhone with me today. This was super fun. And don't forget, if yours didn't turn out quite like mine did, it's okay. You can go down in the description and download the free coloring page. And then you can just have a lot of fun coloring this along with me. All right, guys, until next time, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.